I created my EA account back in 2023, played a few free EA games for a while, and then completely forgot about it. Almost 2 years later, I decided to log back in, thinking it would be a simple password reset. But what started as a forgotten password turned into a locked account, a compromised email address, and eventually, a banned EA account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I recovered my Electronic Arts account and what you should do if you're facing the same problem. Let's get started. Like most people, the first thing I assumed was that I'd simply forgotten my password. So I went to the EA sign-in page, entered my email address and clicked "Forgot your password." But to my surprise, I never received the password reset email. I even tried recovering my account using my phone number, but that didn't work either. Thinking I might have originally signed up using a different login method, I tried every sign-in option available, including Facebook, Apple, Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation. But instead of finding my old account, EA prompted me to create a new one. That's when I remembered creating my EA account with my Google account. So I clicked Continue with Google. Instead of logging me in, EA displayed a message saying, "Your account is locked. To learn more, log in to Penalty History or contact EA Help." So I opened the Penalty History page and tried signing in again using my email address. I didn't enter my EA ID because I honestly couldn't remember it. Once again, I never received a verification email. I even tried using my phone number one more time, but still nothing. At this point, I started wondering if I was even using the correct email address. So I searched my Gmail for every old email from EA, and after finding my original account emails, I confirmed I had been using the correct email all along. But that's when everything changed. When I tried to recover my account, something immediately caught my attention. The password recovery code wasn't being sent to my Gmail account. Instead, EIA was trying to send it to an email address I'd never seen before. Since I had never used or owned that email address, I knew someone had likely changed the email on my EA account without my permission. At that point, there was nothing more I could do myself. So I contacted EA support, explained that I am the original owner of the account, and asked them to help me recover what I believed was a compromised EA account. After verifying my identity, EA temporarily disabled that logged out account from every device, including that unauthorized user device, to restore access to my EA account. I honestly thought the nightmare was finally over. But when I logged in, I discovered something even worse. My Electronic Arts account has been banned. Since I hadn't used the account for a long time and had only just regained access, I believed the account had been compromised while I wasn't using it. The only official option left was to submit an appeal through EA support. In my appeal, I explained that I had only recently regained access to my account after recovering it, and asked EA to investigate the account history and review the ban. Thankfully, my appeal had been accepted, and EA reinstated my compromised banned EA account. I was finally able to regain full access to my old EA account, along with all of my games in progress. Fortunately, my EA account wasn't deleted. But if you've accidentally requested to delete yours, don't panic. If the deletion hasn't been completed and you haven't created a new EA account with the same email address, you may be able to restore it by resetting your password. However, once EA permanently deletes your account, it can't be recovered, and you'll lose your games, purchases, achievements, in-game currency, and saved progress. So if you've forgotten your EA account password, your account is locked, you've lost access to your email, or you believe your account has been compromised, don't give up. Start with EA's official recovery options. Contact EA support if you can't regain access yourself, and if your account has been banned after you've recovered it, submit an appeal explaining your situation honestly. It worked for me, and hopefully it will work for you too. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and I'll see you in the next recovery guide.